Hello everyone, welcome to Data2 Info again. In today's video, we will look at how expressions can be written in Flask. So in our earlier lecture, we saw like how we can write the variables of different kind and bring it from app.py to HTML pages. So today, what we will do is that we will write expressions and bring it to HTML page. So I have taken here the HTML page like expressions.html. This is the basic HTML code you can see. I have written like some interpolation stuff here, like whatever we write the variables in double curly braces. That is the interpolation as we saw earlier as well, right? Then there is some arithmetic operation that expressions we will be seeing, like we are bringing some integers and we will do some arithmetic operations on that integer. So this will be one expression, right? Also, we can do the concatenations of the two strings. All right, we will see like how we can do the concatenation using plus operations. So you can ask like without the plus operation also we can do the concatenation. Like you have to write two interpolation strings side by side with the space in between. That will also be considered as a concatenation, right? So let's move to app.py and write some variables inside the function expression function. So what variables do we have? Like name. I have to give the name. What name I can give data to info, right? What is the second variable? Course name. I can give the course name as well. Let's say data science, maybe. Okay. We have INR1, INR2, INR1. Let's say 1000, INR2. Let's say 2000. We also have some concatenation strings, person1, person2. We will create a variables for that as well. Let's say person1 is nothing but ASJY Akshay. Person2 is nothing but Salman. Alright. We have two concatenation strings. We have two variables for integer, store the integer. We have some interpolation string as well. So what we can do, we just have to, that we can just write variable name over here. Name is equal to data to info, like that as well. But I have written it like this here. So what happens if you have like limited number of variables? So for texting purpose, you can write it like this. But what if you have a lot of variables or lot of things you want to push to the HTML page? So what you can do, you can write it like this and put it in a convenient way is to put it in a dictionary. So I will show you how you can put that in a dictionary in keyword argument format. So keyword argument format is like keyword ARGS, keyword arguments in a dictionary. Dictionary keys is in quotation, name, colon, name. Like this, you have to write all of these variables. Just copy it and change it over here only. Okay, put it colon, colon. All right. All right. So see what happened. I have made a keyword key value pair. I made a dictionary of keywords arguments. Right? Now I can just pass this dictionary name over here using double star. You know keyword arguments. If you know Python, you have to write double stars, paste the name, and that's it. So using these keywords arguments, you can pass all this stuff inside it to expressions.html. So it will be directly rendered over here and shown to you on the browser. So let's just run it real quick and see if we are right or wrong. If it's running, go to the browser, reload it again, and now you can see hello data2 info, all the data we are getting. This is great place to learn data science. Akshay has 1,000 rupees, someone has 2,000 rupees, then both will have 3,000 rupees. The addition operations expression have been evaluated, executed, and the result is in front of you. You can also do the concatenation. Akshay and Salman are best friends. So this is how you can do the expression thing in Flask. I hope you liked it. Keep watching Data2 Info. Thank you.